Right, so, ons is hier by Eagles Nest en hierso is 'n ding in die gang, pampoene. Ja, is 'n lekker woord om te sê. En hulle gaan die grootste pampoen probeer produseer vir volgende jaar se Agri-Age Expo. En ons gaan 'n bietjie hoor hoe gaan hulle dit reg kry. Sien jy, hulle is opgewonde, hulle is reg. En ons gaan 'n bietjie hoor waar kom die passie vandaan en hoe gaan hulle dit reg kry. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
Nah, I can't complain. Thanks for having us here with you guys, and I see you guys are busy prepping.
Yeah.
Getting ready for Goliath se groot gat pampoen competition.
Yes.
So, why do you guys think you're going to win?
Basically, we plant organically. No fertilizer. We're not going to disturb the soil. We're doing everything organically.
Why do you think organics is better than fertilizer?
Organic is better than fertilizer because it doesn't disrupt the soil. Everything is working. We're going to be with God. God is going to help us conquer this quest.
So,
yes.
What are the steps that you guys are going to take? Because I know it's going to be a big pump and it's going to be a lot of maintenance. Are you guys ready for it?
We're ready for the challenge. First, we're going to prep the soil. Then we're going to put compost. And then after that, we'll just water. And then as time goes, we'll maybe put in some chicken manure to make sure everything goes well.
Chicken manure?
Yeah.
What does chicken manure give the ground? I know it's organic, but it helps a bit. Tell me a bit more about that.
Chicken manure gives the soil nutrients. It gives the vitals that you see the fertilizer in which disrupts the soil.
Yes.
The chicken manure, it gives more nutrients to the soil.
Without disrupting it?
Yeah, without disrupting it.
Well, I'm going to leave you guys to it. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys in March. Alright, so, daar het julle dit. Kyk, die manne is besig, hulle is woelig. En dit is op die einde van die dag waar dit gaan. Daai passie kweek, daai liefde vir die landbou begin genereer. So, as julle meer wil uitvind oor Goliath se groot pampoen kompetisie en dan ook die Agri-Age Expo en wat hulle doen vir die jeug en wat hulle help om sulke glimlagte op hulle gesigte te sit. Kyk hier onder, kyk die link en dan sien ons julle weer. Vir ons spice, hoor en uit.